Hey guys, well, oh my god, the lighting is so bad here. Okay, let's just switch this up. There we go. Hey guys, welcome back to Artistic Amber. Today we're gonna, before I get into what we're gonna be doing today, I haven't posted in a while. That's because I'm very busy these days. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be doing origami, and this thing that we're making is not actually an origami. Maybe it might not be an origami, but we're gonna be making a fortune teller. I call it a food catcher, but my friend calls a fortune teller. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be calling it. Okay, let's just find a paper. So let's just use this one. Okay, so I got it out, and so how you make a fortune teller is basically, I don't know which way you do it to get the color set up, but we're just gonna do it like this. And what you do is you fold it in half first. Okay, I fold it in half, like, I fold it in half. And then, as you can see, it made a line. Now we're gonna fold it the other way. Okay, I fold it this exact same way. Now, as you can see, that you open it up and there's like a center. So you take the corners and you fold all the corners to that center. So as you can see, I did the first one and it's like a triangle, and now you do the rest. Okay, so now as you can see, you've got a square that just opens up, I guess. And now you turn around and you do the exact same thing and you try to find the center. And yeah. And when you're like making the triangles, you can see they got a little smaller because that's because we already folded them in before. And now you can see we've got a very small square, and I just go around and start pressing down the sides. Okay, so now we've got a smaller square, and now what you do is you just fold it the opposite way that it was already folded. And as you can see, there's little pockets here, and you just take those pockets. This one too. And then you just try to open them up. This one's like the hard part, so it might be a little hard. Now what you do is you just push in, and you see that you've gotten your small mini food catcher. This one's really small. Now, if you want, you can decorate it. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put numbers, you can put colors. I'm just going to put numbers for the whole thing. Or you can like put like truth or dares inside, or anything. As you can see, I put numbers on the front, and then I put some here. And then later, probably at the end of the video, I'll be showing you how to use a cookie catcher. Okay, I'm done my cookie catcher, and I'm going to be showing you how to use it. So, go up to your friend and say, pick a number. Let's say they pick 4. You do 1, 2, 3, 4. And you say pick a number again. Let's say they pick 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You say pick number again. Let's say they pick 6. And then you open up the 6 and they got yellow. You don't have to put colors. You could put like truth or dare, or a fortune teller. You will grow up to be poor. You will grow up to be rich. Something like that. So that's the end of my video, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe to this video. See you later, folks. Bye.